Hey everybody, today we're showing you a new way to make eggs, but it's actually not a new recipe at all. The original version of this recipe came out in 1651 by a French chef named Pierre. The original name of the recipe was Eggs in the Snow, and this got popular again in 2017 and in 2020 when the pandemic happened. Everyone was trying to cook at home. But stick around, we're going to show you how our version is a little bit different than everyone else's. We actually put some flavor up in those clouds. Stick around, see how we do it. Okay, now in this recipe, we're going to use 4 eggs. We're going to separate the yolk from the white. We got these eggs on sale today at Sam's Club. Set our eggs aside, and here, come closer. All right, now let's separate the yolk from the white from 4 eggs. Let's set this aside for our clouds later on. All right, we got our 4 egg yolks over here. 2 of them accidentally broke, so we just decided to do 2 other ones. So there's about 6 egg whites in here, or the egg white of 6 eggs, and we got the 2 yolks over here. We got these ones in perfect. You know, when you're doing the cloud eggs, you want the yolk to be intact. So anyway, let's get to mixing. All right, now we're gonna mix this up till stiff peaks form. Okay, that should be firm enough. You see that, my friends? It's about between soft and stiff peaks. You see that where it kind of keeps the shape. All right, let's go ahead and put our seasoning in here now. You know, all these cloud egg recipes, they don't have any seasoning up in here. You know, it's literally like you're eating a cloud. I bet it tastes just like you're eating a cloud too. So what we're gonna do is we got a little bit of the Danos. You know, this is really good stuff. The crunchy. It kind of tastes like everything bagel seasoning. I mean, we don't want to add this in the beginning because then our stiff peaks won't form. So we're going to add a little bit of this in there. We're going to add a little bit of the Einstein Brothers Everything Bagel seasoning. Like I said, the Danos is kind of similar, but this has some other good stuff in there. There we go. Lots of good flavor, good seasoning. Check that out. Little salt, just a little bit in there. Get our clouds tasting delicious. All right, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. I don't know how you guys feel about this, but I love cayenne pepper and eggs. Just a little bit in there, you know. All right, now we got the secret ingredient you guys have been waiting for, probably wondering about. Check it out. We're gonna do a little bit of cheese up in here, my friends. A little bit of cheese, not much, you know. And we're not even gonna whip it, you know. We're just gonna kind of fold it up in there because we don't want to whip it because the salt and everything is gonna kind of hurt the protein and those, you know, that whipping, you know. So check it out. We're just gonna kind of fold it in here gently, and then we're gonna go ahead and pile these clouds up in our baking sheet right here. Check that out, all that delicious flavor. We don't want to mix it too much, just a little bit. That's good. All right, let's go ahead and put it on our baking sheet. All right, now we're going to load our clouds up on the baking sheet. We're going to cook them for 5 minutes. Then we're going to put our egg yolk on top, and we're going to cook it for another 5 minutes. When you're done, it should be nice and golden brown on top. So check it out. We're going to do a little bit more flavor up on here. We're going to do a little bit of butter. We're going to butter before we put our clouds down. All right, looks pretty good. And you know, you don't have to do the butter if you want. You can use olive oil, whatever. All right, check it out, my friends. We're gonna try to do 4 nice big fluffy clouds. Let's see how we do. Nice big fluffy cloud right here. Oh yeah, looks good. All right. Yeah, and you definitely want to wait to add the seasoning and the cheese till after you got those stiff peaks formed because it's gonna hurt the protein development structure. There we go. You know, you can make them as big as you want. We use a little bit of extra egg yolk in here, but that's okay. Check it out. Now, this step is very, very important. You have to make a little dimple with your spoon, so that way, you know, you can put your egg on when it's ready. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's make a little dimple, like that, you know. Make a little indentation, you know, like you're gonna do gravy in your potatoes. A little indentation, so you can just kind of pop that egg in there right in the oven. Looks good, looks good. All right, my friends, let's pop these delicious flavorful clouds up in the oven. We'll be right back. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Let's put these egg yolks on top of those clouds. Let's give them a peek first. See if we can do this carefully. Check those lovely clouds out. Oh yeah, it's really good. All right, let's put our yolk on carefully. Put that right there. Got the second one here. Dimple up a little bit more. Put that yolk right up on there. Looks like we broke that one a little bit. That's okay. It'd be like that sometimes, right? Let's dimple it down so we don't lose the yolk though. All right, here we go. Same thing, this one. That one stayed nice and intact. And then lastly, do the same thing over here, dimple it. Check that out. Okay, 3 out of 4. All right, now another 5 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, it's been another 5 minutes. Let's pull them out. 10 minutes in here total. Check these babies out. They look fabulous. We're gonna let them cool real quick. We'll be right back for a bite. They look pretty good. All right, they're nice and cooled down. We're gonna go in with a piece of marble rye toast. We're gonna butter it up. But if you wanna just eat the egg and keep it, completely low carb, you do you. You go in there with just a little bit of marble rye, nice whole grain bread. Oh yeah. All right, let's go for this boy right here. He's looking really good. Let's look at the bottom though. Here, come check out the bottom. Let's see how it looks. What do you guys think about that? Not too bad, huh? Not too bad. All around, it's a pretty easy cook. The only part that I would say is kind of a pain in the butt is whipping those eggs. You just gotta keep whipping, but stick with it. It's kind of fun. Let's see. Oh yeah, check that out. Nice and yolky. It's not running, but that's okay. It's just kind of how we want it. All right, let me tell you guys what I think. Check out this lovely cloud egg. This was really easy, and we put a lot of flavor up in the cloud too. It's not like those little bland ones you see. This one's gonna be a good one. I would totally make this again. It's so good. Oh, it's really airy too, that cloud. But let me tell you something about this cloud. This is a flavor cloud. This isn't a bland cloud. So give this one a try, my friends. Thank you for watching. God bless, and I'll see you next time.